Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking about Pictory, a cloud-based video creation software that automatically converts long-form text and video content into short videos for social sharing using artificial intelligence (AI) technology. Body Pictory offers a variety of features that make it a powerful tool for businesses who want to create engaging social media videos. These features include AI-powered video creation. Pictory uses AI to automatically create short videos from long-form text or video content. This can save businesses a lot of time and effort, and it can help them to create videos that are more engaging and visually appealing. White labeling capabilities. Pictory allows businesses to personalize their videos with custom logos, colors, and fonts. This can help businesses to establish their brand identity and to make their videos more professional looking. Integration with Hootsuite. Pictory integrates with Hootsuite, which allows businesses to schedule automatic posting of their videos to social media. This can save businesses time and effort, and it can help them to ensure that their videos are seen by their target audience. Export in multiple formats. Pictory allows businesses to export their videos in a variety of formats, including MP4, MOV, WEBM, and GIF. This gives businesses the flexibility to share their videos on a variety of platforms. Outro. Overall, Pictory is a powerful video creation software that can help businesses create short, engaging videos for social media. The software is easy to use and offers a variety of features that can save businesses time and effort. If you're looking for a way to create more engaging social media videos, then I recommend checking out Pictory. Call to action. To learn more about Pictory, visit their website at www.pictory.io. Thanks for watching.